Well, my name's Scott Felker. I'm from Columbus, Ohio, and I came to Marc Adams in 2019 to take a carving class from Dave Franklin, who I've known for a long time but had lost touch with, and I loved it just so much. So I came back a few years later, took another one, and it just so happened that I had a big birthday this past summer. I said, what can we do as kind of a family trip? And not only was there a carving class going on right now, but there was a basics of woodworking class. So I chatted with my wife and Molly and Alex and decided, well, let's come and do this. So that's why we're here. We're having a great time. We came a few days early and hung out in Indianapolis, just socialized. Even had another brother stop by, come down from Chicago for the night just to visit us. So you know, we're spending family time together and just having a great time at Marc Adams.
This is new for a lot of people. Our current beginning woodworking course has father-son in it, and the son's pretty young. He's probably 11 or 12, I think. It's simple instruction. The project is simple, but it's a beautiful piece when it's done. There's some technique to it, but it's a really good place to start, so any level can do this. It's a very welcoming environment. People here share their tools, they share their experiences, they kind of help you out if you're stuck. The instructors are great with that as well.
Yeah, it's my first time. Scott's my uncle, and I've really enjoyed it just as kind of a break from routine, you know, just getting away from my job and doing something totally different, learning something new, and just being able to, you know, immerse myself in it for a week has been really great.
And I'll just like to say, I've refinished a lot of furniture, so I thought this class would be good to make some furniture. So that's why I thought this would be a good class for me.
We are plotting our return next year. So after Scott's first trip here, I was looking through the brochure and they had offered a knife making course. I was like, oh my god, let's make knives, I want to do that. And they didn't offer it the last time classes were available, but Scott spotted it for next year. So that's one we're both really interested in, is knife making.
My cousins and I were texting last night. I said, Marc Adams School of Woodworking is like Disney World for nerdy adults. It's awesome. And it'd be great for kids too that are interested in family things. But it's just so much fun. It's just so welcoming. It's a great place.